I'm Steve Oliveris.
And I'm Renee Oliveris.
And we just completed our first remodel. We spent a lot of time deciding on which contractors we were going to use. We went with Leo and Skytech, and we couldn't be happier with our decision. They did an amazing job. They actually finished on schedule. There were a few little hiccups, but nothing major whatsoever. The project came out beautiful. It was everything we'd hoped for. The crew came out, they were so respectful and very skilled. It was actually a pleasure working with these guys. So we did a complete bathroom remodel. We had a huge jacuzzi tub that was just wasted space, we never used it. We removed the toilet room and extended our walk-in closet that was a little bit on the small side and made it a really beautiful walk-in space. So we'll finish that later. But for now, we have completed the bathroom project where we installed a really nice toilet, a beautiful walk-in steam shower, refinished the cabinets, put brand new countertop, lighting, and a nice accent wall. It came out exactly like we were hoping. I highly recommend Skytech Builders. They did everything they said they were going to do, and then some. They were very, very cooperative. Everything was clear. The contract was very comprehensive. Leo's just an amazing guy, very, very honest, very upfront, excellent communications. The design process was amazing with Mia. She drafted up everything for us, first in 2D, then came in with a 3D rendering. We were able to select our colors and our design scheme, and we couldn't be happier.